Alright, I'm here to install an electric starter on my 10 horsepower diesel 10 horsepower, you know, the ones you buy on eBay, Amazon. So this one I'm putting a starter on. So you notice the notches here, all these notches for the starter teeth to match the notches on there. Comes with the key, all the wiring and everything. So I am going to pull that off. Let's see what happens. Whoops. All right. Yay! Oh, just turn it the right way. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up.